To get your students to succeed on higher level questions, you need to reserve some teaching time in class to go beyond dispensing information about your content. Take some time to show your students how to process the information on higher level questions. In particular, demonstrate the following. Start with how to write a clear definition of a term in the context of the course content. Also demonstrate several shabby definitions of a term as counterexamples. Conduct a class discussion about what makes for a good definition versus a shabby one. Secondly, how to avoid common misconceptions about the term. Demonstrate several common misconceptions about some terms, and then conduct a class discussion about how they can avoid such misconceptions. Thirdly, show them how to apply the term to a variety of different questions. Demonstrate good applications of an example term to different types of questions that you intend to ask on your tests. You can see example questions in the guides. Finally, show them how to be concise. Demonstrate a sample of wordy writing. Workshop it as a class. Show them how to make it more concise. Then give students frequent drill and practice in doing this.